There are 5 basic stages to maturity. These are the various stages we all go through from birth to adulthood. We are about to show you a brief illustration on how the average person matures and develops. We give you average ages of these various stages of maturity. Individuals may vary on how quickly or slowly they learn or develop. The first stage of maturity, the lights, colors, sounds, textures, and taste stage. This is where we first begin to develop our 5 basic senses. We learn to detect sights, sounds, tastes, hearing, and touch. This stage of development averages from newborn to about 3 years of age. Most of this first stage of development consists of recognizing the basics of our surroundings, such as light and dark, colors, shapes, sizes, textures, sounds, and tones. At this stage, our mind begins storing all this information so we may prepare ourselves for moving on to stage 2 of our development. The second stage of maturity, identify objects and people stage, develops between 2 and 5 years of age. In this stage, we begin to identify people and objects as something important in the environment around us. For example, we learn that a ball rolls, a house is what we live in, mommy, daddy is people who take care of me. Although we still haven't grasped what they all mean, we begin to be able to identify all the objects and people that surround us and in our living environment. This stage is one that has been touted as one of the more critical stages of our maturity, for we absorb most everything we see around us without a specific judgment of right or wrong attached to it, and we are very influenced. The third stage of maturity, the understanding order stage, usually develops between the ages of 4 and 10 years. In this stage, we begin to sort all the objects and people in our lives and gain a greater understanding of their purpose. For example, we learn that parents take care of us and teach us things. Plants grow food, tools are for building and repairing things. Or with painting, we can express our imaginations. We get a realization to the full purpose and the order of the people and the things that surround us in our environment. The fourth stage of maturity, the where do I fit in stage, usually develops between 7 and 14 years of age. In this stage, we begin to look at ourselves and how we personally fit and belong in the world, or the role we play in our surroundings. We begin to search for whom or what we are in the grand scheme of things. This is most notably the awkward teenage stage, where children are in transition between the dream world of childhood and the realities of adulthood. This is the stage we search within and outside of ourselves. We begin to create a more defined character or personality as we search for who we are. This is the stage where teenagers seem selfish and usually drive their parents crazy. Parents should all understand that, as bad as this may seem, it is a natural state of progression in your child's maturity, so be patient. The fifth stage of maturity, spirituality beyond self, usually develops between 12 and throughout adulthood. In some cases, some people take a long time to reach this stage. This stage usually occurs only when people are comfortable in their fourth stage of maturity. When they are comfortable with who they are, they can now look beyond themselves with passion or concern for other people, animals, and their environment. They see themselves as a small part of a bigger picture and realize deeper concerns for others beyond themselves. Some women may go into this stage of maturity after having a baby and care for the life of their child as deeply as they care about their own. Some may feel the passion of people starving halfway around the world and want to do something to help, or discover the importance of working to build a better environment around their town, to spiritually come together in a family tragedy. There are many people who get stuck in the fourth level of maturity because they find it hard to find out who they really are. In future lessons, we will show the reasons and methods of breaking through to that fifth level of maturity. There are also other stages of maturity, such as psychic and clairvoyant ability, but we will not be going over those right now.